What's going on, everybody? This is Trading Forex Scott shooting this video to go over some of the results that we're getting utilizing our PET system, perfect entry trading system. We have some new tools that we just released. One of the tools that we released inside of the system is our divergence indicator. If you're unaware of divergence basically shows when the market is overbought or oversold due to the price value in comparison to the volume that is coming inside of the market. So basically, in a nutshell, as you can see, we have a divergence indicator here based on the MACD. You have the volume on the MACD. Whenever it's green or to the upside, the buyers are in control. And whenever it's red or to the downside, the sellers are in control. So you can notice here we have a high point of volume right here in this area, but the volume started to decrease from one point to another. So as you can see, the indicator draws out that volume is decreasing, but at the same time that the volume is decreasing on your MACD, price is actually still going up. So whenever you see this, this is a sign of divergence. And when you get divergence in the market, it usually is an indication or an extra confirmation that a reversal is coming. So what we did was we waited for the reversal. We started getting some reversal signals at the top of our divergence. We got multiple signals coming in. This is 1, 2, 3, 3 signals, 4 signals, 5, 6 signals coming in. Notice that the candles are still blue, signifying that we're in buyer's territory. But when it crosses over our money line, we get another sell signal, and now the colors of the candles are red, signifying that we're now in seller's territory. The MACD is also crossed into seller's territory. So I went ahead and went in for a sale based off of the multiple confirmations that we had in the market. And this is a live trade. Now results do vary. Nothing in Forex is guaranteed 100%. You will lose some trades. Therefore, you have to utilize proper risk management during trading. But this is well over 60 pips. Actually, it's about 70 to 80 pips to the downside. And it's currently still going. It's about 75 pips to the downside. It's currently still going. Notice I have my stop loss already in place. Just in case it does come up, I'm actually going to start moving that down a little bit more to secure a little bit more of my profits. So that's one of the indicators that we have just released in the system. If you are not a part of the Winner Circle group, we have an amazing educational platform. We have an amazing study group that's going to teach you how to trade based off of fundamentals, technical analysis, and the levels that the banks use in the market. We have a perfect entry trading system just for extra confirmation, but the main goal is to teach you how to read the charts, not only to trade Forex, but you can also utilize the education to trade stocks, indices, metals, commodities, futures, and of course, cryptocurrencies. You can utilize the knowledge to trade any of the 7 financial markets. Right now, we're going through an economic reset. Right now, we're going through a horrible pandemic. Hopefully, you and your family is staying safe and secure during this pandemic. But like I said, it's also an economic reset, and you do not want to get left behind when we transfer into a digital age. Right now, the digital currencies is starting to gain a lot of strength. The United States dollar is starting to lose a lot of strength. Our economy is going through a reset. The world, global economy is going through a reset. So we're trying to teach people how to take control of their investments, utilize the knowledge, tools, and the resources. Therefore, your money can start making money for you. You can start utilizing your time doing the things that you love, whether it's spending time with your friends, your family, or reaching some of the goals, lifelong goals that you have or dreams that you may have. Forex and trading the markets can definitely help you do that. I have seen people buy their dream house, dream car. Me, myself, I've made quite a bit of money, but it's not about me and my results. The main goal is to help people get the results that they truly deserve. So if you're looking for an extra stream of income, if you're looking for a way to multiply your money, if you are looking for a skill set that can not only pay you, but it can create immense value for you, your family, your friends, for generations to come, get in contact with me or anybody that's inside of the Winning Circle group. That way we can start to teach you and elevate your skill set when it comes to trading in the markets. We have, like I said, an amazing educational platform that you will get access to, our study group. We have an amazing core group of 6-figure traders. We're sharing our strategies that is going to help you catch at least 500 to 1,000 pips in 1 week. We shared a strategy to the team 2 days ago. And based off of that strategy, out of 10 trades, 8 trades went into profit. 2 trades went and hit our stop loss at the most 20 pips for the stop loss. But out of those 8 out of 10 trades, we caught well over 750 pips in 24 hours. That is one strategy, 750 pips in 24 hours. So we have a lot of value to share. We want to help you. We want to see your results. We want to see you succeed. Therefore, you can become a light or a vessel for anybody that you come in contact with. So if you're struggling in Forex, if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, or if you're just looking for extra information to finally get started, if you're still watching this video and if you're following along and you're still not trading Forex, my question to you is what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? I know it may look like a lot. It may seem like a learning curve that you had to overcome. Guess what? You will, but you're not going to have to do it alone. I did it. There's quite a few other people that I know that have taken that leap, and they're forever grateful for it. So do not be scared. Do not be afraid. On the other side of fear is success. You do not have to be great to get started, but you must get started in order to become great. Hopefully you make a wise decision. I'll see you guys in the next video.